Poor puppy, all alone on a hot day like today. We've gotta help. Naturally, we'll start with a makeover.
Ew.
If only fleas were this easy to get rid of. 2 eyes are plenty. Look at all these bugs. Next time you should really wear gloves. Oh, don't worry. We're almost finished here. Of course, our new friend here could still use a wash. Maybe this hula hoop is just what we need. Take out your soldering iron. Never leave home without it. And make a few holes, especially a big one. Now, garçon, just what we need. A hose. Secure it in place and turn on the water. We've made our own little dog wash. She doesn't even need to move. We can just run her through it. Well, it helps if she moves her paws. Yeah, that's a good girl. A rinse is a good start, but soap's important too. Just add it to this new gadget. Brush away. Just don't forget to rinse off. Good thing we're already doing this outside. All done. Now let's dry her off. Uh-oh. It looks like we missed a spot. Quick, let's put this device together. It's a paw cleaner. Once again, you'll need water. It's best to do this one paw at a time. What a good girl, letting us clean her paws. The rest of the paw looks nice, but look at those nails. This is a mani-pedi emergency. But we'll need something special. Let's cut up this bag. It's gonna be a harness for our dog. Hang it up. Dog included. This might take some muscle. Now she'll stay in one place as we file down those pesky nails. Though something tells me she doesn't mind a little beauty treatment. Much better. Now let's go home. Mi casa es su casa. Hey, that doesn't mean the floor is your personal toilet. Well, this mess won't clean itself up. Time for the advanced pooper scooper, complete with bags. Just open it up and wrap around the mouth of the device. Now you can pick everything up without getting your hands dirty. Just remember, you might need more than one bag. Uh-oh, she's shedding? Is she a dog or a cat? Seriously, I'd say there's enough fur for a whole new dog. But it looks like our furry friend beat me to it. Well, it's nothing a little vacuuming can't fix. We'll need to keep all this fur under control. And this new brush should help. It collects the hair all up in one big clump. And cleanup's a breeze. The hair just falls off. Looks like you missed a few spots. This should help. It attracts all this hair like a magnet. And the cover takes it all off for you.
Phew.
Unfortunately, we're just getting started with the cleanup. Oh, good. With all this work, we earned a treat. Yeah, I had to say treat. Good thing we've already got this big bag of dog food. Do you take your kibble dry or wet? Well, at least we know she likes it. In fact, something tells me she wants seconds. This device should help. Just fill it up with kibble. And all it takes to get more is just pushing a button. Round and round it goes. Now she can have seconds and thirds, possibly fourths. And we can enjoy our pizza. Anyone getting déjà vu watching this? Oh, so touching! Hey, can I have one of those tissues? Oh no! Not the television! Did we lose power? Naughty puppy! You could have hurt yourself. We're gonna need to puppy-proof the house. This pop tube could help. Just slit it open. Just slip them over these wires so they're nice and safe. Great, the television is back on, and we can watch together. Still, it's nice to have some private time. I guess someone didn't get the memo. Oh, she's not going anywhere. Meals always taste better with company. And without utensils? And it's great to always have someone watching over you. Oh, you're not getting out of this. We'll need to get creative. With this water balloon rubber glove, she'll always have a tender touch. Relaxation can be found right in the palm of your glove. Checkmate, or king me. Either way, she needs some stimulation. This mat should help. Just hide some treats under the flaps. And just look, there's a whole bunch of different hiding places. We can even hide some right out in the open. Oh, she's good at finding all these hidden treasures. She'd make a great detective, or maybe a pirate. Someone deserves a thank you. A nice, big, wet, sloppy thank you. Her tongue needs a little distraction. Add peanut butter to this mat. She gets peanut butter, and your face stays dry. Everyone wins. Now it's time for some fun in the sun. Come on, you need to get out too. And we've got the perfect suit for you to wear. You'll look so pretty with all these bows. And you can't forget to accessorize. Of course, it's also important to stay hydrated. And that goes for the both of you. This bottle should help. We just need to make a few strategic cuts. Once again, our handy soldering iron comes to the rescue. Make sure that hole is nice and big. And add another filled bottle through it. Twist the lid and it dispenses the water for you. Now it's time for us to relax. Uh-oh, the paparazzi are out on the prowl. Careful, I think they can see by motion.
Oh no!
Let's get out of here! Do you hear something? Oh, that little girl's crying and holding a poster. I think we can all figure out where this is going. Okay, they look alike. but I think we should spring for DNA testing. Well, at least she's cheered up. Wonderful. What a happy ending. A cat. Hope she likes peanut butter. Pet-sational stuff. Catch you next time.